Hey fam, today we're spending just 5 minutes focusing on mobility for your spine and shoulders. These areas carry so much tension from everyday life, and this quick session will leave you feeling looser, taller, and more relaxed. No equipment is needed, just a mat or soft surface. We'll start with gentle seated stretches, flow into dynamic twists, and finish with movements that release tightness across your shoulders and back. Each stretch will last about a minute. Let's reset your posture, release tension, and move with ease. Ready to unwind and open up? Let's hit the mat. Come onto all fours, with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky for cow. As you exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone for cat. Let your breath guide the flow. Each inhale stretches and opens your spine. Each exhale softens and releases tension. Imagine your spine as a spring, gently expanding and contracting, finding its natural rhythm. Finish with one last round of cat and cow, letting your back feel fluid and ready to twist. Stay on all fours. Slide your right arm underneath your left, lowering your shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and feel the stretch along your upper back and shoulders. Switch sides now, sliding your left arm underneath your right. Lower your head and let the twist deepen as you breathe into the stretch. Each exhale softens your back, releasing any tightness. One last breath here, letting your upper body feel lighter as we prepare to rise. Kneel tall or stand with your feet hip-width apart. Interlace your fingers behind your back and press your palms together. Inhale as you lift your chest and draw your shoulders back, opening through your chest and upper body. Hold the stretch, letting your chest expand with each inhale. Picture your shoulders rolling back like a door opening, freeing your upper body from tightness. Each breath takes you deeper into the release. We're at the 10-second mark now. Let your arms lower gently, feeling the openness settle into your posture as we move into a side stretch. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, reaching your right arm up and over to the left, creating a length along your side body. Inhale as you come back to center, and then switch sides, reaching your left arm up and over to the right. Alternate sides, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch along your ribs and waist. This move helps improve flexibility in your torso while releasing tension in your lower back. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hinge at the hips to touch your toes. Then sink into a deep squat with your elbows gently pressing your knees outward. Lift your hips up and straighten your legs while still touching your toes. Continue this dynamic movement, flowing between a forward fold, deep squat, and stretch. Each transition works to lengthen your hamstrings, Open your hips and energize your spine. Imagine your body finding balance between strength and flexibility. One last round. Fold, squat, and rise. Feeling refreshed as we finish. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've opened up your spine, released tension in your shoulders, and found space in your body to move freely. Want to keep this feeling going? Try another stretch, dive into a strength workout, or relax with a calming meditation. Stay mobile, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.